Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Ticktick. Ticktick is one of the best to-do list and time management apps around, and one of the main reasons why it is so popular is because it is beginner friendly and it can also be used on any device. So whether you have a Windows device, an Android device, or a Mac OS or Apple device, you'll still be able to use Ticktick. First, we want to go onto ticktick.com. Once on ticktick.com, you can sign up using your email address for completely free. They do offer a paid plan, but you can get access to majority of the features using the free plan. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the free plan. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And to get started, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see list, you're going to tap on the plus and you're going to create your first list. So let's say, for example, my first list is to create a YouTube video. So I'm going to type in create a YouTube video. After you have done that, you can choose your list color. So you can tap right there and you can select the color that you would like. Then you can also select the type. So you can see task list or note list. You can select the option. And you can also select folder. So if you would like to create a folder, you could tap on new folder. And then from there, you could enter in your folder name. So let's say I call it video. Then you're going to tap on save. And creating folders would be a good way to organize your different tasks or your different lists. So you can see right there, I now have the list, and you can see the folder video if I were to tap on it, as you can see right there. And from there, I can add numerous lists if I want by tapping on add list. Or if I would like to edit it, I could simply tap on edit. And from there, I can edit the name or so on. So after you have done that, you can see right here video, and if I were to tap on the three dots right there, it can show more details, show countdown, or I can print it if I want. So let's go back. So I'm going to tap on video, then I'm going to tap on create a YouTube video right here. After you have done that, you can tap right where you see add a task. So the first thing you can do is you could type in your particular task that you would like to add, or you could tap on the drop down menu option, and from there you can use one of the templates provided by Ticktick. So you can tap on add from templates and you can see the different template options that they provide. So for example, if it were a to-do list, and let's say you want to tap on, just for example's sake, check emails, I could tap on that and you can see right here to do before work. So you can see how it looks right here, reflection on yesterday's to do, check emails. You can select any one of these options and you can simply tap on it after you have done it. Another thing that you can also do is you could tap on the clock icon, and from there you could set up reminders or recurring emails or recurring. Another thing that you could also do is by tapping on the clock, you will be able to set up reminders, as you can see right there, or by tapping on the other option, you can delete your checklist. Now that I've shown you how to do that, you can also add the due date at the top right there. So for example, let's say it will be due the 24th. You can add in a particular time. You can also add a reminder. So let's say you would like to be reminded 2 days ahead. You could tap on that. Then after you have done that, you can set it up whether you would like it to be a repeated task. You could do that. Then you'll tap on OK. Another thing you can also do is set the priority by tapping on priority in the top right hand corner. So let's say it is medium priority. I can do that right there. You can also create tags, and this will help you to easier search through your different tasks. So you could tap on the plus and you could create new tags, as you can see right here. And you can also choose the color of the tag. You can also create filters by tapping on the plus beside filter. Unfortunately, to access the filter feature, you will need to be on the paid plan. And you can also see your completed tasks by tapping on completed right here. And by going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on the calendar view. And from there, you'll see your calendar view. And this again is another option that you will need to be on the paid plan. But you can get an example of how it would look right there. And to search, you can tap on the search icon right there and you'll be able to search. And that's basically it. That's how to use Ticktick. It's quite straightforward and easy, and it is one of the most beginner friendly time management or to-do list platforms. I've also reviewed other to-do list platforms, so if you're interested, you can search for them on my channel. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.